Ukrainian MPs stand for the national anthem, a brief show of unity in a divided nation. Within minutes, the session had descended into characteristic chaos. Killers chant opposition politicians, forcing the entire interim cabinet to leave the chamber. Another politician from the ruling party is shouted at for delivering his speech in Russian instead of Ukrainian. The three main opposition parties want to change the constitution to hand more presidential powers back to parliament.
We need to reform the constitution. It was legally changed in 2010, but we still have a chance to turn it back. This is the only way to drag our country out of the political crisis.
To save our country and independence, we need more than just cosmetic changes. We need to return to the 2004 constitution.
The leadership say they're ready for more dialogue, even changes to the constitution, but are not prepared to say when. Well, just outside the Ukrainian parliament, supporters of Viktor Yanukovych are out here in force, although the opposition say that these supporters have been deliberately bussed in from the region to make his support look bigger than it actually is. The worry is, though, that even if free and fair elections were held immediately, that Yanukovych would still have large support, as high as 20%, meaning that the opposition may have to change tactics if they really want to change the country. With or without new elections, protesters here on Independence Square are demanding President Yanukovych steps down. Demonstrators and police are standing their ground as the battle for Ukraine's future moves from the streets to the parliament. Neave, Al Jazeera, Kiev.